In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust inventory quantity in QuickBooks. If you've just completed a physical count, found damaged items, or noticed a mismatch between what's on the shelf and what's in your system, this walkthrough will help you bring your numbers back in line with confidence. First, go to QuickBooks the way you normally access it. Once your company file is open, we'll head straight to the area that controls your item list and inventory details. This ensures you're working within the right list of products before you make any changes. Next, click on the settings icon. You'll typically find it at the top right of your screen. This opens the main menu where you can see your lists and preferences. Going through settings keeps your path consistent even if your layout looks a little different due to user permissions or updates. From there, click on Products and Services. This page is your master catalog. It shows every item your business sells, including inventory items that track quantities, as well as non-inventory and service items that don't. Take a moment to orient yourself here. You want to make sure you're adjusting the exact inventory item that needs attention. Now, select the inventory you want to change. You can scroll through the list or use the search bar to find it by name or SKU. Double-check you have the correct item variant if you use similar names. Verifying the item now helps prevent corrections later. On the items row, open the drop-down menu and select the option related to inventory quantity. Depending on your view, this may appear as Adjust Quantity or a similarly labeled action in the items drop-down. Choosing this takes you to the adjustment screen where the change will be applied. Finally, start making your adjustment. Use the most accurate count you have, ideally from a recent physical count or a clearly documented issue like returns or spoilage. Decide whether you're increasing or decreasing the on-hand amount so the new number reflects reality. Be precise with units of measure and make sure the quantity you enter matches how the item is tracked in your system. It's helpful to note the reason for the change for your internal records, so it's clear later why the adjustment was made. Before moving on, review the current quantity and the new quantity to confirm they look right and align with your supporting documents. That's it. You've navigated to QuickBooks, opened settings, visited products and services, selected the right item, used the drop-down to access inventory quantity, and started your adjustment with care and clarity. Take your time, double-check your numbers, and you'll keep your inventory accurate and your reports trustworthy.